Hello everybody, Dr. Ravi Kumar from CellHealth Clinic, Udmeta, Dubai. I hope all your cells are doing well. When we decided to name this clinic as CellHealth Clinic and opened it in India and in Dubai, a team of doctors, when I decided and declared, let us name the clinic as CellHealth, they asked me instantly, are we going to sell health? I was a little surprised by that question. I didn't expect that. I meant CELL, not a CLL. I'm not going to sell health. I'm talking about cells health, because body is made up of trillions of cells, almost 35 trillions to 50 trillion cells, and every cell has a designated job, designated by the DNA and or the brain signaling system. Some cells become liver, some cells become heart, some cells become blood, some cells become skin, eyes, nose, kidneys. Totally body is made up of only cells. And every cell, 90% of the cells keep dying and new cells keep generating. This is what the basic science is. And when the new cells are coming, and some of the cells are not functioning as per the directions of the signaling system of the DNA, malfunctioning is happening. And because of that malfunctioning of the cells, malfunctioning cells, diseases are happening. So malfunctioning cell is the reason for any disease in the body. This is what we understood, and this is what it is true. When we say malfunctioning of cell is the reason for any kind of disease, we understood that our concentration should be that there should be no malfunction of cells in the body. The major issue to be addressed in the health department is don't allow cells to malfunction. If still, despite of that, cells are malfunctioning, understand the causes behind that malfunction. And when we understand the causes behind that malfunction, eating too much of unwanted food or too much of toxins in the body and not giving the required nutrition, required vitamins, required minerals, and required enzymes into the body is the only cause or only two causes behind this malfunctioning cell. When we understood this, ultimately, the ultimate science any doctor in the world has to address is how to address the malfunctioning cell or how to ensure cell doesn't malfunction. Either it's a preventive or once diagnosed, how to repair the cell malfunctioning cell, how to make a programmed cell death. So everything is behind cell only, human cells. That made us take a decision to title our clinic or concept as CellHealth Clinic, because ultimately we are only addressing cells health. That is how we named our organization as CellHealth. Unfortunately, I was taken aback when my colleague asked me, "Are you going to sell health?" It's not commercial aspect, but still, yes, somebody sells health also. What's wrong? Ultimately, everybody needs health. But my intention behind titling my company's name as CellHealth is ultimately we are addressing cells health in the body. That's how CellHealth has been established in India and in Dubai. And we are going to take it globally very soon. Thank you very much.